Are you looking for the best Belkin Wi-Fi routers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Belkin Wi-Fi routers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Belkin AC 1750 dB Wi-Fi Dual Band AC Plus Gigabit Router. The Belkin AC 1750 router is a high-performance Wi-Fi router that offers faster and more reliable delivery of online content to your devices. With dual-band speeds of up to 300 megabits per second, 2.4 GHz, plus 1.3 gigabits per second, 5 GHz, it ensures maximum speed for video streaming and gaming. Setting up the router is a breeze, taking just minutes using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. The IntelliStream QoS feature automatically prioritizes video and gaming, ensuring uninterrupted high-speed streaming. Additionally, the router blocks unsafe and inappropriate content for all devices on your network, providing a safe browsing experience. With its multi-beam antenna technology, the router offers maximum coverage throughout your home, and it works seamlessly with N and G Wi-Fi devices. Upgrade to the Belkin AC 1750 router for an enhanced Wi-Fi experience. What we like: faster and more reliable delivery, easy setup in minutes, automatic prioritization of video and gaming. Number 2. Belkin N300 Wireless N Router. The Belkin N300 router is a wireless N router that offers speeds of up to 300 megabits per second on wireless N networks. It is also backward compatible with wireless G networks. With this router, you can easily share photos and files, surf the web, and enjoy seamless emailing and instant messaging. The 3-step setup makes it convenient for anyone to install and get connected. The pre-configured security features, such as Wi-Fi protected setup, 256-bit WPA/WPA2 encryption, and 64.128 WEP encryption, ensure the safety of your network. Additionally, the advanced apps included in this router provide automatic backup of photos and files, network problem detection and resolution, and wireless printing. With Belkin's 2-year limited warranty and 24/7 tech support, you can have peace of mind knowing that help is always available. What we like: easy 3-step setup, backward compatible with wireless G networks, pre-configured security features. Number 3. Belkin F9K1106 Dual Band Extender. The Belkin Dual Band Extender enhances your internet experience by utilizing dual band technology, which is ideal for streaming HD videos and engaging in online gaming. With speeds reaching up to 300 megabits per second and 450 megabits per second, you can enjoy faster connections for all your devices. The WPS push-button security feature makes connecting your computer to your wireless network simple and secure. Installation is a breeze, allowing you to set it up in just minutes. This extender is also backward compatible with older devices, ensuring that you can continue using your existing equipment without any hassle. What we like: enhanced HD streaming, fast internet speeds, easy and secure setup, compatible with older devices. Number 4. Linksys AC 1200 Wi-Fi Router. The Linksys AC 1200 Wi-Fi router is up to 2.8 times faster than wireless N technology with dual band speed up to N300 Mbps, 2.4 GHz, plus AC 867 Mbps, 5 GHz, for media-intense applications. It offers faster transfer rates with USB 2.0 and fast Ethernet and has smart Wi-Fi that allows users to prioritize devices or websites, monitor network activity, turn Wi-Fi access on or off, and create password-protected guest networks. The easy setup requires no CD and the package includes the router, Ethernet cable, and power adapter. What we like: fast dual-band speed for media-intense applications. Allows users to prioritize devices or websites. Smart Wi-Fi apps offer improved opportunities to control home network. Number 5. Belkin N300 Wireless Router. The Belkin N300 router is a reliable choice for your home networking needs. It comes brand new in the box, ensuring you receive all the essential accessories for easy setup. With this router, you can enjoy a stable Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to stream videos, play online games, and browse the web without interruptions. The user-friendly design makes it simple for anyone to install and manage. Plus, its efficient performance helps maintain a strong signal throughout your space, providing convenience and flexibility for all your online activities. What we like. Brand new condition. Includes all accessories. Stable Wi-Fi connection. Easy installation. Strong signal coverage.